You think your website is doing great, right? Well, what if I told you it's probably full of hidden problems that are secretly killing your traffic, slowing down your sales, and tanking your search rankings? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, the website audit. If you've ever wondered why your site feels slow, why your competitors are outranking you, or why visitors just aren't converting, then you need to stick around. I'm going to break down exactly what a website audit is, why it's non-negotiable for any serious business owner, and how it can completely transform your online performance. So, what exactly is a website audit? Think of it like a complete health checkup for your website. A specialist comes in and runs a full diagnostic scan on every single part of your site, from the technical code and server setup to the user experience, content quality, and security. We're talking about a deep dive that looks at your site's crawlability for search engines, your page load speed, those crucial core web vitals, any indexing problems, potential security holes, how easy it is for users to navigate, and whether your analytics are even tracking things correctly. The whole point is to get a crystal clear picture of what's working and, more importantly, what's broken. This gives you a strategic roadmap that says, here's what you need to fix, and here's how it's going to help you grow. This is exactly why businesses, big and small, invest in professional website audit services or hire agencies to do this for them. Now, you might be thinking, my website looks fine, why do I need an audit? Here's the hard truth. Websites degrade over time, just like anything else. Plugins become outdated, strange database errors pop up, new content creates technical conflicts, and your analytics tracking can break without you ever knowing it. Your site might look beautiful on the surface, but underneath it could be a complete mess. This is especially true for SEO. A proper SEO website audit service will almost always find things like crawl errors that stop Google from seeing your pages, a ton of broken internal links, duplicate content that confuses search engines, slow loading pages that get you penalized in indexing, blocks that make some of your content totally invisible. These are the exact issues that search engines spot immediately, but most business owners have no idea they even exist. And let's talk about security, because this is a big one. A website security audit is absolutely essential in today's world. So many sites are running on outdated themes, have weak server settings, or even expired security certificates, making them a prime target for hackers. We see it every day. Small WordPress sites get compromised because they never had a proper security scan. All it takes is one single vulnerability to ruin your brand's reputation, get you delisted from Google, and destroy the trust you've built with your customers. A security audit is like hiring a guard to check all the locks on your doors and windows. It finds the weaknesses before the bad guys do. But it's not just about tech and security. What about your visitors? This is where a user experience, or UX audit, comes in. A UX audit looks for friction points, anything that frustrates a visitor and makes them want to leave. Maybe your menu is confusing, your buttons are in weird places, the site looks broken on a mobile phone, or the checkout process is just way too complicated. These things kill engagement, and guess what? Google now uses user experience as a ranking signal. So, a bad UX doesn't just annoy your visitors, it actively hurts your SEO. That's why a good website design audit has become just as important as a technical one. For anyone running an online store, this gets even more critical. An e-commerce website audit is a must. Unlike a regular website, an e-commerce site has product pages, categories, a shopping cart, and a complex checkout flow. A tiny issue, like a slow-loading checkout page or a confusing product layout, can instantly slash your sales. A thorough e-commerce audit will check everything: inventory, visibility, duplicate product pages that hurt SEO, page speed, structured data for product listings, and the security of your payment process. Without this, you're leaving money on the table, and you probably don't even know why. Another huge, often overlooked area is your data. A website tracking audit makes sure that your Google Analytics, your tracking pixels, and all your event tracking are set up correctly. So many businesses are making big decisions running ad campaigns, creating content based on data that is flat out wrong. If your data is inaccurate, every single decision you make based on it is also wrong. This is why tracking audits are a standard part of any professional technical website audit. It ensures the foundation of your marketing strategy is solid. So, after all this digging, what do you get? You receive a structured website audit report. This isn't just a long list of problems, it's a clear, prioritized action plan. A good report will outline every issue, explain why it's a problem, and tell you exactly what you need to do to fix it, starting with the most important things first. Whether it's a simple template or a custom-designed report from an agency, the goal is always clarity. This report becomes your step-by-step guide to improving your website's performance across the board. So, now you see why a website audit is not just a nice-to-have, it's essential. It uncovers the hidden obstacles holding back your rankings, the speed issues frustrating your users, the security risks you didn't know you had, and the conversion bottlenecks that are costing you money. If your website hasn't been properly evaluated in the last 6 to 12 months, you are almost certainly leaving growth on the table. it's the perfect time to get one done. And hey, if you want me to create a full, in-depth video on how to conduct a website audit yourself, step by step, including the best tools, templates, and checklists to use, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make that my next video for you. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more actionable insights to grow your business. See you next time.